Welcome back to the Crochet Nest, Yarn and Hook Studio. I hope everyone is good in health and enjoying the weather. Today I bring a small tutorial on this beautiful napkin holder, and half of the work is already done, and we are going to make a small pattern of the this flower with the leaf and the stem. So the circle is already made, and the bunch of flowers I have made, so to show you that what it looks like. So let's start with the stem and the flower. It's a very delicate thing to make. So we are making this with the 2.5 crochet hook and a very thin yarn, and the green color we are using for the start of the stem, and we have to take according to the circle we have already made for the napkin holder, and we are going to start with 10 or 12 chains. So after taking 12 chains, we will start making the leaf area where we are going to show the leaf of the petal. So after taking 3 more chains, we will put double crochet in the 4th chain 3 times, then 2 chains, and we will do again 2 double crochet and 3 chains and close the area for the petal leaf for the flower. So in this way we have the complete set of two leaves for the flower area, and we have taken 2 chains in which we are going to make the red flower. So the gap we have created for 2 chain is for the flower, red flower we are going to make. It's a beautiful pattern. You can see that it's going to be a very delicate thing to show on your dinings, and those who love food can enjoy such type of creativity. So for taking the flower, we have to take 3 chains, and then we will take 5 to 7 double crochet in the center where we put 2 chain, the gap we have created while making the leaves. So now we have to take almost 7 chains, 7 double crochet. After the 7th chain, we are not going to close it with any other thing. We will put our crochet hook in the first stitch and then simply slip stitch from the first stitch, and you can see a gap in between. In this gap we are going to take 3 chains and slip stitch, then again 3 chains, slip stitch, and again 3 chains, and slip stitch. So this is how we have created this beautiful flower with the outer look of the flower as well. You can see we have created 2 layers almost. That shows a very unique and near to the real flower. Now cut the thread, and we will sew the thread as well to finish this whole project. So you have seen that I have already wrapped the rings. Ring is about 2.5 2.5 inches. So the circle I have created is also about 2 inches. So in inner side 3 rounds for white, and last layer is a slip stitch for the green color to match the flower arrangement we are doing in the front, at the front of the arrangement of the your beautiful napkin holder. So after cutting some of the threads, that is done, and we are adding these all flowers, about 6 to 7 flowers in each bunch, and this is what it looks like at the end after joining all these almost 7 flowers with the stem and the look of leaves as well. So this is beautiful and easy tutorial. I hope you are going to make it for yourself or your loved ones. You can even make such type of flowers on the different type of mats, coasters, mug covers. So that is easy. I hope you have learned it well and you are going to make for your self as well. So this is all about today's tutorial. I hope you get best of best what I delivered today. So do make and share with me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.